What's poppin', everybody? What the fuck?
Going out shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind.
What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to another video. Oh my god, it's so dark. What the fuck? Today I'm doing an updated bag collection, so I'm gonna put in the description. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the description box down below the link, or you'll probably have like a little thing right here where I'll add it so you can watch the first one. But this is the second one from my updated bag collection. I did some thrifting and I ordered some. I'm also waiting for something else, so you'll probably see like another clip of me like, oh yeah, I received it, this is it, whatever, and then the video probably will end or something like that. So yeah, but right now I'm just gonna go ahead and film what I have today. And then one did come. What the fuck? No, I'm fucking scared as fuck. What the fuck? Okay, but whatever. One of my bags did already come and I'm already using it, so yeah. But anyways, let me get started with this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my little mini handbag. First one you guys already saw, which is this long one. Well, you guys didn't see it unless you saw the monochromatic episode. Sorry about the freaking hairs, but in this one she's like doing her makeup, which is so cute, and this one she's like dancing, listening to music. Well, I'm guessing she's running, but I'm just gonna say she's dancing because I don't run. And this is like a So Me bag, and I like this because it has a long strap. This one kind of like goes better with certain looks. Like the strap looks better when it's like the bag is like all the way like down here rather than like up here, you get me? Like this is like for like another like more classy look or whatever, and the other one is like I'm gonna wear like some high-waisted no, this is like I'm gonna wear kind of like, I don't know, like I would have to put like a picture, but I know what I'm talking about. Next one is this cute little beige heart one, like this little tan brown one. I think this would go cute with a lot of like looks with these kind of colors. Like for example, this brown dress would go so cute with this little handbag because it complements it, and it's like all the same kind of colors and tan, and there's like a little bit brown in it. So yeah, like I feel like you should always have like a bag. The next one is this cute little bag. I love it so much. It's my little new sunglasses bag, so every time that I'm gonna wear like sunglasses, I'm gonna put it in here, and then I'll probably just have like literally my sunglasses in here. And I feel like it looks so cute with like a dress, and or even like with whatever, you know, you're just holding your sunglasses. So yeah. Okay, so I have a backpack and a cross bag, so I'm gonna show y'all. So this is my cross bag. I love it so much. It's like hot pink inside, but it has like so much room. It has so much stuff inside, and I feel like it looks so cute with so many outfits because of the print, and there's so much you can save inside. And it even has it like in the side and in the bottom. Like you could put something in the bottom, and then you can put something like in the side over here. Wait, what the fuck? I'm confused. Oh no, sorry, I'm lying. You could put something in the back too, like right here in the back and in the bottom. So I think that's sick. Like it has like a bunch of pockets. So this is like definitely like my to-go bag when I go to like Universal or like Disney or like Six Flags. Like when I'm going to like, you know, walk around like all day doing stuff, I'm just gonna have like this also. The next one is this cute little backpack. I got it at the thrift. Let's see, it was literally $2, and like you can put anything in here, and you can just open it up and put like all of your stuff inside right here. And yeah, it's just like this cute little backpack just to have in case. So I like to have like little, I like to have little bags, backpacks, cross bags, medium bags, just in case for everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to like the kind of like bigger one. So this one, I don't know, I think it's probably fake, I don't care, but it is a Juicy Couture bag, and then inside it has like the little Juicy Couture print, and I got this at the thrift store, and I think it's so cute. And last, I got this cute little zebra bag. It says Gucci, but we obviously do not support Gucci. But I'm just gonna buy like pins right here, but it's fake. This shit was like made in, where the fuck was it made? I don't even know about like all that shit, but we're just gonna cross that out. But it's cute. I liked it because the print, I did not even see that until like later. But I still copped it because I've been looking for like a little bag like this. And I have right now, like I have like my paintbrush and stuff because I was gonna go to the beach and just paint there and take this little bag, but I didn't end up going, so whatever. And then it's just like this. So it is my Von Dutch bag. I got it at Dolls Kill, so it was 70, but it has this thing so you can, you know, scan to shop online. And then inside, oh my god, it's so messy inside. Hold the fuck up. Okay, so inside it has like this pink print, and then it says Von Dutch. What the fuck? Okay, so yeah, it's so messy inside. I'm so sorry. Like, I actually totally forgot that it was like gonna be clean or messy. I don't fucking know. But I'm gonna show y'all when the other one comes, and then I'm gonna post this video. Before I do an outro, even though the outro is kind of like but there's a part 2 that I will post tomorrow, Tuesday in the night, or Wednesday in the morning, but most likely tomorrow in the night. But these are the other 2 bags that came. I still have one more, but I'll probably post that on Friday, like just show you when it comes. It's probably not gonna make the cut, but these are the 2 bags. This one is this cutie box little handbag. I think it's gonna look so cute with this one fit that I have in mind, and tomorrow you will see bits that go with these bags so you can kind of see the theme or whatever. It came with this thing so it can be like long, but I really just like short handled bag. But yeah, it comes like with this mirror, and then over here we have this cute I thought it was gonna be bigger, but it's actually kind of small, and I kind of wish this was shorter then, or this was bigger, but it's whatever. And it's from Dolls Kill. And then inside, what do I have here? Oh, it has like this kind of like, so you can make it longer, and then it's just navy blue inside. I think it's so cute. I just wish it was bigger, or this was smaller, like the straps. But yes, those are my 2 bags. Like I said, you will see part 2 probably, hopefully tomorrow. So yeah, love y'all.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this